Hello, welcome back. I'm going to attempt to pick a lock by Kerpeesh. I hope I said that right. And we will take a look inside if I pick it. The lock was sent to me by Andy of the UK Locksmith Forum. So thank you very much for sending it this way. And hopefully I can pick it. I will be using pin side tension and a medium hook. Click out of 1, little click out of 2 with movement on the car, click out of 4, I think I pushed that too far up, let loose from the tension, click out of 1 again, click out of 2, click out of 3, click out of 1, click out of 3, click out of 4, click out of 3 again, we have got a bit of a deep felt set going. Click out of 5, little click out of 2, nearly lost the tension there, click out of 3, that just went off the warden, got a click there but I don't know which pin it was from, as I pushed quite a few down with the pick, so I wouldn't like to say. 1, counter on 2, and we do have an open. It's a very fun pick, and hopefully we can take a nice look inside. I'm totally not prepared tonight, as I haven't sorted out the follower, a shim, or anything really, because I know it's been a while. Just bear with me. One, and then a follower. I don't have a key for this, so do not try and lock it back up, otherwise I'll be starting again. As you can see, everything needed to be picked. Doesn't look like there's any modifications to the car. No modifications there. Let's dump them out. It's weird, there's a spool, and that's another driver pin in the key pin chamber. A T-pin and another T-pin. We'll take a look at the end. It's a very nice pin with brass spring. Another very nice spring, pin, sorry about that. As I say, we'll take a look when I've dumped them. I think all the springs are going to be the same. Some very nice work on these pins. I'll dump that spring out. I've got it. All brass springs. There'll be no modifications to the car. Bible, sorry about that. So let's take a look at these pins. Some very nice pins here. We have a reduced diameter torpedo type pin. That looks like an upside down key pin with very deep serrations. That looks like a standard driver pin in the key chamber with a very odd looking spool. A commercial spool in the key chamber, but there was no modifications, so I don't see the point of that. An upside down key pin again into a small spool. A T-pin key pin. Possibly it's an overset trap, but it did have to be picked up. And it's got a light serration and a deeper serration in it. More so like a very fine spool. And that went in the tinsel. I'll get that in a second. And a tapered end key pin and a very deep spool. Absolutely awesome block. Thank you very much, Andy, for sending it to me. There's the pin I was looking for. So thank you very much, and I hope you enjoyed watching, and I hope everyone has a very Merry Christmas. Bye for now.